It's tips and tricks with Tyler and Terry.
Conexpo, baby.
Hold up, fellas. We're not to Conexpo yet. This is still setup time. There is a lot to do. Hey, let's get busy.
All right. Man, I can see everything from up here. Woo!
Hey, Tyler, that is a pretty good view up there, but you know what I can see from down here? You're not cleaning, buddy. Let's go. People are coming.
All right, I'm sorry.
What? Ingo, this thing has a John Deere engine in it.
Hey, put fingerprints all over the machine. Here, clean the stuff up.
I'm sorry, Ingo.
We have people coming. There's one more there.
What machine were we going to clean?
Thank you, all of them.
Oh,
Man, Terry, look at this. We've got so much to learn here. I mean, Deere even has a scraper pan pulled by a dump truck.
this is amazing, man. I heard if you want to learn more, you can go to JDU. This goes right here, right?
Yeah. Terry, I know it's been a long day, but it goes the other way.
Oh.
There's people coming.
There we go. All right.
Looks good.
Sweet. Dude, my phone's dead. I heard this was a cell phone charging station.
Nah, bruh. It charges the backhoe. It's electric. Boogie, woogie, woogie. Perfect.
Matt, this place is amazing.
Isn't it, though?
A fan shop at Conexpo?
I know.
Could we get one in Nash Vegas?
Maybe.
You didn't say no.
Nice job.
Nice. Whether it's the people or the machines,
We never idle.